We got another video of the iPhone SE 2, and let's just say that we trust this one a lot more. Pictures of the HTC U12 Plus emerge and confirm all the previous rumors we've heard, and Samsung is selling the higher storage variants of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I'm Jaime Rivera. Welcome May. It's Labor Day and we celebrated by working. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. The Apple MacBook continues to be one of the favorite computers out there, even with the fact that it's extremely expensive. But if you want to change that, Best Buy has got it pretty much $300 off. It's less than $1,000 for the base storage, then almost $1,200 for the 512 gig variant. And if you're looking for a very old MacBook Pro 15-inch, but you're still looking for a powerful computer, that one is $500 off. You can learn more about the deals in the description. Now, let's move the spotlight over to Samsung, as these aren't deals, but for those of you interested in more base storage on your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, even though I've been fine with 64 gigs expandable, but for those of you that want that, it's currently now available for pre-orders, and pre-orders are going to go all the way to May 17 on Samsung Store. We're talking about it starting at $770 for the 128 gigabyte variant of the S9, and then obviously it rolls down. You can learn more about the price points in the description. Yeah, why not? Now let's move the spotlight over to Facebook, as the second co-founder of WhatsApp, Jan Koum, has just announced that he's leaving the company. After the whole privacy issues and all the debacle that's been happening, and obviously the fact that WhatsApp has become infamous ever since the acquisition over a lot of privacy issues over time, even though Mark Zuckerberg will say the otherwise. Most interesting, the first co-founder left in November, and apparently this hints to an exodus happening. Yeah, you would think that Facebook was the perfect service, but we wonder perfect for who? How about if we talk about HTC? The company hasn't really wowed anybody in the last couple of launches, but apparently the U12 is not going to be the case. We've got some leaked photos on Facebook of the U12 Plus. A lot of the things that we've seen in rumors are pretty much being confirmed, like the dual cameras in the back that are horizontal, the fact that there's a dual camera at the front, that there's this liquid approach to design. Yeah, it looks good, don't get me wrong. Let's just see if the company finally figures this one out. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the iPhone SE 2. And even though I wasn't really wowed or going crazy over this phone before, I kind of am now. There are some leaked renders on video, and for those of you that have seen these videos in the past, you know that once you get these, it's pretty much the final design. I mean, this leaker does an amazing job. And a couple of things. The first one, apparently there is no wireless charging. It seems that the back is pretty much the same as the iPhone SE currently. But then notice there's no headphone jack. The speakers at the bottom look larger. Most important, apparently there is a notch on this thing. Yeah, so that could mean a couple of things, starting with the fact that apparently this is going to be an all-display device. The Touch ID gets ported onto another phone, but I guess that's the reason why we heard rumors that this phone was going to get more expensive. This could be the reason why. In today's question, let us know. I mean, iPhone SE 2, imagine a device with a design of 4-inch display, but it's all display. I mean, it's a small phone that's all display. I think that would be a really cool product, but what do you think? Do you think that would be a cool idea? Let's see what we get. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. It's completely free. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the Huawei P20 Pro camera down here in Rome. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.